And a girl said, "Can you play this song?" And I said yes. Why not? So this is for Willow, wherever you are in the audience, somewhere. Is that where the light is there, shining? All right, here we go. We take this burden, this broken leg, we could nurse it. She said, "Come inside, fool, lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. And if I wake up, don't wake up, 'cause on my shoulder. Tell me if I lie down, would you stay down? Let me hold you. If I kiss you, will your mouth breathe this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll hold it all you know. My little bird, my little bird. Take a walk out in the morning dew. We could lay down so I'm next to you. Come inside for only tea. If you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, it says late, back to sleep. Covered by nature, now I'm safe now underneath this oak tree, with you beside me. If I kiss you, will your mouth breathe this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll hold it all to you. No, no, no. My little bird, my little bird. And of all these things, I'm sure I'm not quite certain of your love. And you made me scream, then I made you cry, when I left that little bird with its broken leg to die. So if I kiss you, will your mouth breathe this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you.